how to create a checkout page in Wix. So if you don't have an account yet, just click create an account. If you have an account already, just tap sign in and then connect your account. So basically, this is what it looks like. And in case that you don't have a site, then you can tap create site right here. As you can see, I have created some sites here on Wix. And if you want to edit, or if I want to edit, I just have to click edit or select an edit here. Now, if you don't have a site yet, click create new site right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And as you can see, create sites with Wix Studios, new editor for agencies and freelancers. So you have two options here. Try Wix Studio for advanced feature, or as a beginner, you can tap this one right here, which is highly recommended. So for beginners, I strongly suggest to click this one, and it will take you directly to another page where you can start creating your site. You can start chat or set up without chat. So you can tap the second one right here. Tap this. And once you have tapped this one, then it will take you directly to this where you can choose the type of website you want. So you can now search for that specific type of website or scroll down here to see and choose one. For example, online store, can tap continue and so on. But since our tutorial is all about how to create checkout page, I am going to select from any of my site right here and I'm going to edit and show you how to do it. So in order to start, you just have to click select and edit. So this is the dashboard of Wix. Okay, and please a reminder, whatever you add here or change here, it will not affect other websites or sites. So it's like independent site. It will not affect other sites right here. If you have added a payment method or if you have added a pay link right here or whatever you add here, change the settings, it will not affect other sites. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, first is you have to go to apps or app market. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you have added Wix Store to your site. So let's search for Wix Store right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, as you can see, you will see different applications related to Store or Wix Store, but you have to click the first one and install. Since I have already installed this, then I can see the install word right here. But if you haven't installed this to your website or site, you just have to click install. Now, this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here, since you have your Wix store, you can now add new product. So as you can see, if you tap this new product right here, you can add information about your product. It's either physical or digital. So let's just say physical right here. So you can add information of your product since you have your Wix store. You can add product information. You can add product description. You can also edit the format, inventory and shipping, pre-order, subscriptions. And of course, don't forget to tap save before you exit. Okay, so once you have added your products here and the information, you can go to settings and under business, you can see this checkout right here. And as you can see, there is this information. If you want to customize your checkout page, just click this one. It will take you directly to your checkout section. And you can just simply edit the checkout forms right here. You can see this one. Okay, so as you can see, you can toggle this one on. You can edit for subscription. You can turn this one on. For checkout header, you can edit this one. This is a new feature, so you can edit this. If you scroll down here, you can see policies. Okay, so checkout policies if you want to toggle or turn on terms and conditions and add this to your Wix store. You just have to paste or add here. Also, if you want to add privacy policy to your store, just tap this one policy agreement checkbox. You can toggle this one on and add contact us information here. For payments, you can turn on gift cards. You can turn on authorized payments and capture funds here. You can also turn on this receipt information or receipt automation rather. Toggle this one on to activate. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let's start with this one right here. So if you want to edit checkout form, tap edit. And then here you can, see the preview. If you want to see the preview, you can add custom field right here. If you want to add, for example, if you want to add like stars or ratings, if you want to add links, if you want to add phone number, short answer, everything is up to you. You can just click this create field right here and then tap the specific custom field, email, and so on. Then tap save. If you click preview, this is what it looks like. I have added star rating right here. And here it is for this checkout form. Okay, checkout header. You can add logo to your header. So this one is optional, but it's up to you because this one is a new feature. So you can add logo right here if you don't know how to create one. I strongly suggest to try Canva. You can edit, create logo there, and then add it right here, import from your computer, and then after that, tap save. Okay, so don't forget to tap save before you exit. Okay, so for policies, terms and policies, you can add terms and conditions because you have checked this one. So this is a sample. Now you can also tap privacy policy and paste it right here. Same thing. Same thing with return policy. Same thing with digital product policy, custom policy. Now, if you don't know how to create one, you can also ask a help from ChatGPT or other AI. But if you have your own, if you know how to create your own, then just add it right here, enter or paste. Okay, so for this one, contact us, for example, business name. Okay, so you need to add your business name. This will be a clickable link. So you have to be aware with this one. So for business name, let's just say it's and store. Okay, make sure that everything here is correct. For email, okay, this is the email. Now for phone number, you can add phone number here. And then also same thing with address and country. Okay, so that's it. If you have toggle on contact us, actually you can add more if you want. Example, if you have zip code or postal code, everything is up to you. Okay, so that's it. You can also add other applications here if you want, but that's not really that important. Now, everything is saved automatically. If you go back to your store or website, then you should see the information you have added here. You can also add or ask help from AI. Okay, if in case that you don't understand some of the feature or content here, you can ask a help from AI, but this one is optional. So basically, that's it. If you publish this one, then your customer can visit your site. Then basically, they will see all the information you have added to your checkout page. And that's how easy it is to create a checkout page in Wix. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.